Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into essential Python pairings every developer should know. Let's jump right in. First up, Python and Pandas, your go-to combo for data manipulation. Whether it's data cleaning, transformation, or analysis, Pandas has you covered. For web scraping, Python and Beautiful Soup are a match made in heaven. Extract data from HTML and XML with ease. When it comes to numerical computations, Python and NumPy are the dynamic duo. Perform operations on large datasets efficiently. Visualize your data beautifully with Python and Matplotlib. Create static, animated, or interactive plots. Machine learning becomes accessible with Python and scikit-learn. Build predictive models quickly and efficiently. For web development, Python pairs perfectly with Flask. It's lightweight, flexible, and ideal for small projects. For more robust web frameworks, Python and Django are the dream team, ideal for building scalable and secure web applications. Deep learning made simple with Python and TensorFlow. Develop complex neural networks with ease. Connect to your databases seamlessly with Python and Sclalchemy. ORM has never been this easy. Automate your web testing with Python and Selenium. Say goodbye to manual testing. Computer vision comes to life with Python and OpenCV. Process images and videos in real time. Test smarter, not harder, with Python and PyTest. A powerful combination for writing simple and scalable test cases. Need to make HTTP requests? Python and requests have you covered. Simplify interactions with web services. Keras, in combination with Python, makes building neural networks a breeze. Efficient web crawling is easy with Python and Scrappy. Gather data across the web with minimal effort. Ready to create games? Python and Pygame are your go-to tools for game development. Make your graphs interactive with Python and Plotly. Perfect for dynamic data visualization. Document your code and results in one place with Python and Jupyter Notebooks. Ideal for data science and machine learning. Handling big data? Python and PySpark allow you to process large datasets efficiently. Create powerful command line interfaces with Python and Click. Perfect for automating tasks. Build data dashboards effortlessly with Python and Dash. Visualize and share insights with ease. Delve into natural language processing with Python and NLTK. Analyze text data like never before. Process and manipulate images with Python and Pillow. A perfect match for any image processing task. Validate data models seamlessly with Python and Pedantic. Essential for building robust applications. Manage distributed tasks with Python and Celery. Perfect for background processing and task queues. Interact with databases using ORM with Python and Sclobject. Simplify database management. Leverage the power of AWS with Python and Botho3. Automate your cloud infrastructure effortlessly. Manage database migrations with Python and Alembic. Keep your database schema under control. Handle columnar data with Python and PyArrow. Efficient data storage and transport. Extract text from images with Python and Tesseract. Perfect for OCR tasks. Ensure your tests cover all bases with Python and PyTestCov. Analyze your test coverage with ease. Develop sleek GI applications with Python and PyQ. Bring your desktop apps to life. Create cross-platform desktop applications with Python and WXPython. Ideal for robust software development. Handle concurrent tasks effortlessly with Python and Asyncio. Perfect for I/O-bound operations. And there you have it. These Python pairings are essential tools in every developer's toolkit. Which pairings are your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.